complications that could spring up from this practice. And then the fourth part is that there is possibility of slaughtered animals being infested with some infectious microorganisms which may contaminate insulin, right? So like a pig maybe had some certain diseases. We know that there are findings that this coronavirus sprang up from animals, I think somewhere in China. So the same way, so imagine this, we're going to bats, let's say bats had a virus. To get insulin, of course, it means that we would have had several many infectious diseases springing up among us. So then, how did biotechnology come to play? Now, this is where everybody needs to appreciate science. Everybody needs to know that without science, maybe life would have gone to existence. I don't know, but I'm just speculating. So, scientists again discovered that there was a microorganism whose name is E. coli. Are you following? Now, E. coli has a very fast, rapid rate of multiplication. It's a microorganism. Within some few minutes, let's say